PCC you say.
They can say audio be on. Ekow Ewusi. A journalist by name Duncan. And or say report now article. The journalist wrote an article. I was social media about Ekow Ewusi ne niema oye ni ade. And Ekow Ewusi friend. Yeah. Yentie nsema Ekow Ewusi nso so ade aba.
Duncan no da na.
Who are the more now so.
Article no. I was just liking it until one side that you brought my name in. And I so wish you spoke to me so that I would have given you proper fact of that thing you were writing about. It is sad. This country.
But Ekow.
Yes, it's me, Ekow. We are living in a disgraceful country. That people, they are the cause of all this Galamsey nonsense. It goes to the heart of Gabby, Otchere.
Excuse me, sir. Which people are you referring to?
The very article that you are writing about, Donald,
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Me, this is the same people that Major Mahama got killed. It took me and Charles Bishop, and that time, Pop Watson had the courage to authorize we stopping that operation. And we stopped it. What happens 3-4 days later, or a week or two later, Charles Bishop is framed that he has gone to collect bribe of 10,000 cedis.
Oh, yes. Yes.
I was called by I don't want to mention names. Somebody close to the office of the vice president that I should allow these guys to go and work. I refused. Then I got a call from Gabby's office, a lawyer claiming he represents them. On several occasions, I refused. I eventually got a call from Gabby himself. I told them I can't do it. I can't allow them to go and work. What happens? Prof, instead of protecting me, gave in. But what I can tell you on authorities, it is not Prof who authorized them to go there, but he is aware of their presence there.
Okay. No, you see, thank you very much.
Let me warn you first. This story that you've gone to touch, you are ready to make a name, but you are going to have serious enemies because you are going to have serious journalists coming after you. You are going to have serious police officers coming after you. You are going to have serious government people coming after you. They will frame you. The next thing, which will be. And now what the assembly that over, it will take you hundreds of years. As someone of our work started, I don't know how you know it, but it's a serious matter. I mean, look at the video. With one phone call, did you see how the military got there?
Yeah. Ekow, do you know one thing? Hello, Mr. Ekow.
Yes.
Do you know one thing? You see, Prof. From the initial stage, I investigated into the matter and realized that Prof was framed because he was trying everything.
You know something, Duncan? I don't want us to go on other sides of matters, but this particular people and this particular concession, Ekow Ewusi, I want to be on record to say that Pempom Watson did not authorize them.
I see.
But somehow he was informed. Now information being, they are going to do this thing. They have all this. They don't have nothing.
SOMPA 93.1.
When you see, but if someone like Pempom Watson is there, then you get the call from someone like that.
But the okay, I see. Who say Ghana now? Although your ministerial appointment, you are controlled by the party authorities. And that's what
I've told you the lawyers. Their lawyers is Gabby Otchere. He called me personally. He made some lawyers call me from the office. They spoke to me. I told them that from this are the same people. You do remember this Kokobaku took me to court? Do you remember that every morning my picture was on the front page of Crusading Guide?